Welcome to Ficheall.ie, and today we're going to talk about controlling the centre. We'll explore why the centre of the board is so important and how you can control it to gain an advantage. In chess, the centre of the board consists of these four squares: d4, d5, e4 and e5. Controlling these squares allows your pieces to move more freely and control more territory. One of the most common ways to control the centre is by placing a pawn in the centre. Here we see the moves 1e4 and 1d4. These moves put pawns in the centre, giving them control over important squares. Controlling the centre isn't just about placing pawns there. Your pieces should also support your control. Knights and bishops play a crucial role in this, as they can exert influence over central squares from a distance. Placing knights on c3 and f3 supports your central pawns and increases your control over the board. With the pawns on e4 and d4, the bishops and queen can be developed. This allows for these powerful pieces to influence the centre early in the game. Your opponent will also try to control the centre. It's important to challenge your opponent's control while maintaining your own. To recap, focus on controlling the centre with your pawns. Develop pieces such as your knights and bishops to support your central control, and challenge your opponent's control of the centre. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more chess tips and tutorials.